Hi Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or 100% accurate para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Cancer, tingnan natin kung ano yung energy mo for the month of October. Energy for Cancer, please, for the month of October. For the month of October, Cancer. Ano yung energy for the month of October for Cancer? Balance. Balance and harmony ay kailangan para sa inyo for the month of October, no? So, remain patient kung meron kayong inaantay or nawawalan na kayo ng pag-asa sa inyong sitwasyon. Be patient. Be kind, no? Be kind to yourself also. Okay. So, if you are also stressed sa work, no? Kailangan mo i-master yun kung kailangan mo i-master kung ano man yung anxiety na meron ka. Okay, do not be consumed of that. Huwag mong hayaan yun na maapektuhan ka. Okay, sa stress at saka sa anxiety mo. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan mo din ang inyong mga priorities, no? If they are still in line. Okay? Tingnan mo ang inyong mga values. Re-examine your choice or your options, no? And your decision also. Cancer. Okay? Be patient for the month of October. Tingnan natin. Cancer. Mga energies, messages for Cancer, please, for the month of October. Cancer. You are looking forward to something exciting, Cancer. Maybe this is a creative project about your future. You are excited about your future. Parang nagpaplano ka. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be taking a new direction in life. Okay, meron kayong mga considerations or meron kayong mga kino-consider, no? Na isang situation, maybe a location, a work or job. Okay. Okay. Magkakaroon ka ng tapang, no? And willpower to move on or to move forward. Okay. There is success and victory sa path mo, Cancer. Okay, kailan mo lang ng determinasyon. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo merong movement, merong relocation or pagta-transfer ng trabaho or address, okay? Merong travel, okay? Locally or abroad. Yeah. Page of Cups. For some of you, you are entering a new relationship or a new partnership. Okay. Maybe this is an offer also. A job offer for you. Yeah. Someone is missing you or you will be missing someone, Cancer, for the month of October. Okay? Merong someone na magsusupport sa'yo. Merong pagkakaintindihan. They are showing kindness to you. Or this is you, Cancer. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be reminiscing your past experiences, okay? Past experiences or mga past or old memories mo, no? with your family, old memories with your family or loved ones, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you are missing home. If you are working in another country, and you're, maalala or mamimiss mo ang inyong hometown. Okay? Or ang inyong lugar. Ang inyong childhood for some of you, and friends. Okay. Merong spiritual growth na nangyayari sa inyo, Cancer, na mag-uudyok sa inyo to move forward, okay? Yeah. You will be chasing your dreams. You will be chasing your ambition. You are living a situation na parang hindi na makakatulong or makakabuti sa inyo. Okay? Most especially emotionally. Okay? This is a desire to move on. A wheel of fortune. No? So, your luck is moving. No? Merong significant or importante na change na mangyayari sa inyo. Sa work man to, sa personal life mo. Okay? Kung dati parang hindi gumagalaw or walang pagbabago na maganda. Okay? Walang action. Now, parang magkukulat ka na lang, bigla na lang may mga positive na mga changes na mangyayari sa inyo. Merong movement. Okay? Kung dati hindi nag-work, ngayon nag-work. Kung dati hindi ka pinapansin, ngayon papansinin ka or bibigyan ka ng attention. Okay? Kung dati parang walang break or opportunity, ngayon magkakaroon ka ng break, no? Or opportunity. Something like that. So, whatever. Kung ano yung energy ninyo, kung ano yung nangyayari sa inyo, Cancer, pero ito yung energy. Okay? So, for some of you, merong victory and success in your situation. Okay? Yeah. Someone or merong mataas na position in a company. You will be receiving success or victory or information, no? Na ikakatuwa mo. Okay? For some of you, if you are applying for a job, you will be accepted. This is breakthrough. Yeah. Okay. Okay, a decision will be made for you, Cancer, most especially pagdating sa career or sa trabaho. Pagkakaroon ng katapusan ang inyong paghihirap or difficulties na dinadanas, most especially sa work. It seems na parang lahat ginagawa mo, okay, magkakaroon ng alignment in the month of October. Okay, a decision will be made to your favor. For some of you, if there is something na parang kailangan mo ng clarity, parang kailangan mo pa ng additional information, ask. Communicate clearly what you need, no? Yeah. Magtanong. Okay? Yeah, get some truth. Alamin mo kung ano yung katotohanan for some of you. Trabaho man yan, relationship, a project, okay? Business mo man to. You will be manifesting your dreams. Meron kang kakayahan to make things happen. Okay? Yeah. For good reasons, not for bad. Yeah. So communicate what you need or what you want, no? For you to move forward or for you to accomplish something. Okay? For some of you, you are thinking or you are waiting for some improvement, no, in your relationship or in your money Or kung meron kayong mga ina-applyan na trabaho, for some of you, you are waiting for it. You are monitoring, no? Sometimes you need to take a break. Yeah. Also, nag-iisip ka din kung paano mo i-improve yung sarili mo financially or financially wise. Okay. Yeah. Also, i-consider mo yung kung meron ka mga desisyon na gagawin, i-balansehin mo ang iyong pag-iisip at ang iyong emosyon. Logical and emotional consideration. Kailangan mo i-balance. Yeah. Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with someone, maybe an air sign. You are burdened in your situation. You need clarity or information from them. So, get some truth, no? Yeah. Para magkaroon ka ng stability sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong relationship. Secure your future. Cancer, that is for some of you. Yeah. Okay. Merong energy that parang you are holding on tight sa pera mo, sa money mo. You will be parang you will be a wise spender, kumbaga. Kung hindi ka magsispend ng basta-basta ng pera mo, you are holding it tightly. Okay? If it is, kung hindi siya necessary or importante, hindi ka maglalabas ng pera. If you have a business, no, or negosyo, this is a good move for you, a good decision. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are saving, you are growing your money. Yeah. Wow. So, merong award or reward kang matatanggap because of your good performance. Okay? Excellent performance for some of you. Merong kaliwanagan sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. Abundance. Okay? That will be shared. Good times and abundance na pwede mong i-share sa inyong family, sa inyong friends. Okay? This is happiness and joy that you that is well earned and deserved, no? Cancer. So be proud of yourself. Meron kang accomplishment, no, na matatanggap or achievement na ikakatuwa mo. Happiness. There is light at the end of the tunnel. If you've been through a lot, kung naging madilim man or merong struggles kang naranasan, okay, merong ending dyan. Okay, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Merong pag-asa, kaliwanagan. There is a sense of vitality also in you and strength, Cancer. So, be compassionate, no? To someone. Cancer, merong someone na kailangan din ang inyong understanding and compassion and advice. Okay? Merong also, for some of you, merong stability when it comes to your emotions. Cancer. Okay? Yeah. Merong friendship na nangyayari for some of you na namumuo. Okay? Okay. Tingnan natin. Merong sense of victory for you, Cancer, na nangyayari ngayon or mangyayari pa lang. Okay? Parang may na-overcome ka na mga obstacles and struggles. At mga problema. Okay? Yeah. Dog close up. Pleasure with a close friend. Okay. That is for some of you. You are having fun with your close friend. Cane. Pay attention to your health. Pagtuunan mo ng pansin ang inyong health, ang inyong kalusugan. Okay? Yeah. Kung merong nararamdaman, pwede magpa-check up. Do not ignore kung ano yung sinasabi ng inyong katawan or ang nararamdaman. January. The month of January will be important to you. Okay? Or memorable. Spring, your desires fully manifest as the flowers begin to bloom. Okay, meron kang desire na matutupad sa season ng spring. Okay? Healing, healed, healer. Healing energy surrounds you and this situation. Okay, merong paghihilom, no? Paghilom sa inyong cancer, sa inyong relationship man to, okay? Or sa inyong sitwasyon. Merong pagbabago. Okay? Be yourself. This situation calls for you to be your authentic self, which is the basis for your personal power. So, be yourself. Okay? Conditional message for Cancer. Be proud of yourself, Cancer, for some of you. Assert yourself, okay? Be authentic to people. Detox your friendships. Your abundance flow is being affected by the people with whom you are spending time. So be discerning about your associations and relationships. Choose to be with people who are inspiring, generous, and supportive. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, choose your friends. Kung hindi mga, yung, syempre samahan mo din yung mga sa tingin mo makakatulong or makakabuti para sa inyo. Okay? Don't go with toxic people. Stay away from them. Count all of your blessings, even the small ones. Show gratitude and appreciation for all that you have in your life and all that has yet to come into it. Your best days are still ahead of you. Isn't that a wonderful thought? Yeah. So your best days are still ahead of you, Cancer. Okay? So be hopeful. Okay? Trust the process, trust the universe. Okay? Everything will be okay for you. Okay? So, Cancer, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat. All the best. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!